I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a storage target and choosing how to capture the VM state. Consistent snapshots are safer, but live backups work for many workloads. Once you've verified free space and snapshot capability, decide GUI versus CLI. In GUI, click VM, Backup, Add and pick Mode and Storage. If you prefer CLI, run VZDump with storage and mode options. Make sure to tag or name the backup so you can identify it later. Once the job exists, configure compression and bandwidth to match your I/O and CPU constraints. Compression saves space, but uses CPU. Then set a retention policy and schedule so you keep the last few snapshots or archives automatically. If using CLI, include compress and BW limit flags and test with a single run. After a successful manual run, enable the schedule. Make sure snapshots complete and logs show no errors so automated runs will be reliable. Finally, verify backups by restoring one archive to a test VM. Restoration proves your backups are usable and highlights missing disks or config issues. Once done, monitor logs and retention to ensure older backups rotate as planned. If something goes wrong, check storage mount status, permissions, and available space, and validate network connectivity for remote targets. Make sure Proxmox services are healthy and retry with verbose logs if failure persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.